Hi. My name's Bob. I'm recovering from eating the guts. Hi. So, like, what do you want to know? I was born. Wait! I was born a poor black child!
Oh, look at the pretty kitty.
Trevor, have a friend. Trevor. Oh. Maybe I let him play dead, he'll come back. Trevor! Trevor, come to me. Trevor, over here. Here, go, Trevor.